In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Outlook Mail on your PC. First, use your credentials to log into your Outlook account through your preferred web browser. Navigate to the email you want to download from your inbox or another folder, and double-click on the email to open it. Once the email is open, look for an option with 3 dots, located somewhere in the screen. In the Options menu, locate and click the option labeled Save. This action will initiate the download process for the email attachment. Keep an eye on the download progress indicator, usually displayed at the top of your browser window. Once the download is complete, you'll receive a notification. After the download is finished, locate the downloaded file on your device. You can usually find it on your default downloads folder. Double-click on the file to open it. Once opened, you'll be able to view the contents of that email you downloaded. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.